Now we learn how to widening the fabric. Now the fabric is only on the 280 needles. 280 needles. Now we want to make the fabric according to our requirement. If we want to make the fabric of full width, then we have to put the fabric, some fabric on that way, and after that we have make the knitting on this machine. So first of all, we have to open the winder. First of all, we have to open the winder, and now this fabric is loosened. Okay, this is the stop motion. We have to bring out that stop motion that way. Bring out from the center that way. Now machine is ready to cast on fabric. We have to take the very thin fabric, not thicker fabric. If we take the thicker fabric, then it can damage the needles. So firstly, come upon the machine, we have to loosen that sensors, loosen from here and bring this way to the end of the machine. When we go to the end, then the machine move to that position. So this is the position where we will have to knit full bed and tighten this way. Now this is tightened, and now we have to loosen these stoppers also, all stoppers. These are 4 or 3 inch away from the knitting position. This is the last knitting position. This is the last knitting position. This is the last knitting position, and the stopper is 3 or 4 inch away from its position. Stopper scare position. So we have to loosen all the stoppers. One by one. And move all to the. We have to put full bed knitting. Then we have to put 3 or 4 inch away from this knitting. These all. This is the approximately thing. After that we will, when we cast on the fabric, after that we will accurately tighten these stoppers. Now we will tighten these stoppers one by one, temporarily, because we have to adjust that according to our knitting after making knitting. So now we have to put out these wires by this, and there is a hole here. We can get outside this way these wires. Okay, now these needles are out of action. We have to bring in action to them by bringing upward these needles. So you can use any strip that. Okay, you can push that needle away, that wire away, and bring all the needles upstairs. This is the front bed. And put that wire inside after that, and there will be no any space left behind these two wires. Wire will join together. Now same thing upon rear bed. Bring out that wire. After that, bring up the needle, all the needles. Now put back that wire inside and push back the needles to the back. So now we are ready to cast on the fabric. Take a loosened fabric and a needle and put the fabric in between this way to the beds. This way. Come this way. With the fingers we have to bring the fabric upward through needles and bring out the fabric. Very carefully. There will be not any folding on the fabric. Now put one or two needles, front two needles in fabric. There will be little amount of the fabric in the mouth of the needle. Not bring more fabric. Only little bit fabric will be there. Only little bit fabric. Not push more fabric. Now on the other side we also put some amount of fabric in last needles. Only push high butt needles. There are two type of needles, low butt and high butt. You only push high butt needles upward and bring very little amount of yarn in the needles, the fabric. Okay. This way. This is the cast on fabric process. We have to put very little amount of fabric because it is a 14 gauge machine. Meaning of the gauge is 14 needles per inch. So we have to carefully put the fabric because it can damage. If we make more fabric in the mouth of the needle, then it can damage the needle, and we have to push back the needles into the bed After that, we have to put the fabric in between the winder. That way. We have to close the handle. After that, we have to pressurize this fabric by hand manually, and this also. Now this is the two different type of panels there. Now we knit one panel, full bed panel here. So we have to take that strip and put the remaining fabric inside the space of both beds by this. Okay, now we have to start the machine by inching and put that point to 6 number, this way. Now this is on 6 number. Okay, now start the machine slowly. Now put the finger on the far behind the yarn. Now push down all the remaining yarn or fabric and bring that to 4 number position. Always for the cast on, always come to the 6 and after that to 4. Now run slowly. नंबर नहीं रहता, नंबर जाने के लिए वही लगने हैं वैसे देता। Okay, now fabric is upon the there are some needles which did not open their mouth, then we have to put open their mouth by manually. Okay, thank you.